Think vending machines are a dying business? Think again. The secret isn't the machine, it's where you place it. In this video, I'm revealing 3 high-profit vending machine locations that can generate consistent cash flow with the right products and smart inventory management. First, apartment complexes. Hundreds of residents live just steps away from your machine, creating repeat customers who value convenience. Stock drinks, snacks, and everyday essentials, and you'll have the potential for steady sales throughout the week. Second, auto repair shops and service centers. Customers often wait 30 minutes to several hours while their vehicles are serviced. A well-stocked vending machine with cold beverages and popular snacks can turn that waiting time into reliable income. Third, busy laundromats. People spend extended periods washing and drying clothes, making them more likely to purchase refreshments. This location can perform especially well when paired with family-friendly snack options and multiple payment methods. Here's what separates successful operators from everyone else: negotiate great locations, keep machines clean, restock consistently, accept cashless payments, and track which products sell fastest. A profitable vending business isn't truly passive. At first, it requires planning and regular maintenance. But once your routes and systems are established, it can become far more efficient and scalable. The best part, you don't need dozens of machines to get started. One profitable location can teach you everything you need to know before expanding to multiple high-performing sites. If you're serious about building an income stream that works even when you're not on the clock, hit subscribe, smash the like button, and let's uncover more business ideas that can help you grow your income one smart investment at a time.